Are you bored of lifeless shady spots in your garden or patio? Begonias are the perfect fix. With their striking colors and unique foliage, begonias are not only beautiful, but are also easy to grow, making them ideal for gardeners of all experience levels. Begonias grow best in partial shade or indirect light and prefer well-draining, slightly acidic soil. They're incredibly versatile, thriving both in containers and garden beds. Dragon Wings is a fast-growing favorite, producing bright red blooms in baskets, beds, or containers. It adapts easily to sun or shade, making it a reliable choice for any garden setup. Begonia semperflorens, known as bedding begonias, on the other hand, boast a compact, bushy shape and exceptional heat tolerance, delivering consistent blooms that effortlessly enhance pots, borders, or garden beds. For a bold statement on patios, Polka Dot is your go-to, with the beautiful markings on the leaves dappled with grey spots and rich orange undersides make it a standout in pots. Don't forget Begonia Rex. These plants with unique markings on their leaves will add character to any space. Caring for begonias is simple. Water regularly but avoid soggy roots by letting the topsoil dry out between waterings. Always water at the base of the plant to prevent wet leaves, which can lead to fungal problems. A monthly dose of a balanced fertilizer will encourage continuous blooms, while proper spacing between plants promotes good airflow and reduces the risk of disease. Brighten up your garden or patio with these beautiful and practical plants. Find a begonia that suits your personality and style at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find one near you.